How to embed Audiomack in WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you need to do, I'm gonna show you my page here, and I would like to have here some music. So what you need to do first is go my home and click edit site. Then just tap here, and here we need to paste a link. So go Audiomack, click on these three horizontal lines, top songs, and just pick your song. Okay, then click on embed and simply copy this link here, go back and just paste it. And it's gonna render this player here. Click save again, and now we're gonna check our site. We're gonna visit site. And here we go, you get your music here. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, subscribe, and see you in the next one.